Wala naman sa ocean pangkasayaw. Ano, busog?
Yes!
Ikaw, lalo ka na.
Yes.
Too much.
Akala ko na sa'yo, Pole. Oh. Kanino yan, Pe?
Black coffee.
Wow, thank you.
Good egg. Hindi mo naman ako sinabi.
Wawa naman si Elbe. Happy birthday! Nawalahan na.
Sa kantahan na lang.
Ayaw mo. Kaya kanina yun na ano.
Dami. Oh my God. Oh. We're no vlogger this time. Ah, ito pa rin sabi ni Kuya Bal na soup. What?
Oh my God, I like
Ano naman tag mga buang? Yeah. This is nice. Cheese bread.
All are my favorite.
All of them are your favorite.
I like
Oh, how about fruits? How about fruits?
Let's go there.
Let's go there. Oh my God, there's ham here. Oh, what's that? It's prosciutto. Oh, how about this? How about this one? Oh, a lot of drinks. Now, let's go to pizza. Yeah, let's go to pizza. Yeah, it's just achara. They're cooking steak there, lamb, and there's pizza here, and the pogi here. Oh wow, a lot of pasta here. The olives, black olives, and this is Parmesan cheese, and this is what? Seafood pasta. How about this one? Macaroni.
How about this
Oh,
one?
you're always gaya-gaya. That's potato, baked potato.
I like everything. Okay, let's have a move.
Yeah, let's go. Let's have a move. Let's go to Indian cuisine or to different international cuisine. Okay. Oh, guys, what is this? Yeah. We are here in Vikings. Oh, what's that? Oh, the sweet and sour pork. This is gulay. What? Let's drink some beer. Wow. We have.
We're under seaside.
We are under Dolomite Beach. We are near on Dolomite Beach. Oh, a lot of drinks here. Yes, a lot of drinks.
Eh,